Kublai pi borok kine kilong ki kubor bamenta kasngi Menteri Rangba kejela Conrad ke sangma ula pentip bakejela kadang pentrashir hem ya bun ki projek SUROK hanong ba shelong bat kawai ke ba kongsan kadai ke projek SUROK 4 lane ke ba thumu bat penyaso ya ki banta ba pher jong kasor haba kren sekilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ula ong bakatai ke SUROK ke ba kongsan kan sedang na ke benta banjan ye ke MAWPAT bat POLO hadin ke jingking bat kan yat lingba ki klau ken thup ye ki benta jong ka reserve forest bat kan penyaso shabal fon bat ki wei pat ki SUROK ki bamarjan ubala batai bakane ke projek kalong si benta na ka jing thmu ka sarkar ban penduna ye ka jing dehang kali suk ka jing dehang kali kalej kawan Menteri Rangba ula ong ru balada ban penlong ya bun sin ki jing ya kren bar ka jing ya solok bar ki banta ba pher kentup ya ki tenat sarkar ba pher bar ki trai jaka ula pen pau ba ka jing ya kren kala janpoi syaka bakut bat omdon shu ki jing ki ba he henrei dangsa tang ki banta ki barit ban penbej khadu ula pen ti kenaru bakane ke SUROK kalalong ke foleng ke balakmi lenti ban wanra jing mentoi ke bakrau hak jing ya kali buat ke jing yaso anong ba shlong hak snem ban wan.
Yeah, so there are multiple roads that are being constructed as we speak. I don't have all the details of the maps, but yeah, one of the major ones is the 4-lane, which will take place from the CRPF camp in POLO, just after the bridge, and go through some of the forest areas and even the Milim Forest Reserve areas, and connect to Belfont, and then from Belfont all the way to MAWPAT, and then all the way to Secretariat. So we do expect that. We have held multiple levels of discussion at multiple agency level as well as individual levels, whether it's with the the individuals who own land there, or whether it's with the Hima Milim, or whether it is even with the police, the school that is there, the in Golf Links as a school run by the police department. So all different agencies and individuals and stakeholders, multiple rounds of discussion have taken place. We have almost closed the discussions with almost everyone. There are one or two that are still left, but not major challenges. We have more or less come to some kind of an understanding. We just have to finalize the final details of it. So that will be the major connection. And as I said, that will be a 4-lane. It won't be 2-lane, it will be a 4-lane. So we do expect that that would really help in the overall connectivity to the new Secretariat and to the new Shillong area.